Hello. So I want to show you guys a quick little project that I did in the winter. I didn't really film it or talk about it, but these are just cedar boards, fence boards. I cut it out in the bandsaw. I used basically my flap sander to do most of it. I did a little bit of Kutzall work on the fins. But so there's two koi fish here, so I burnt it and I put outdoor Mod Podge on it. Then there's these are the cutoffs from the koi fish, and they're just like I said, cedar boards. Burnt it, sanded it, and I put some blue and white dye in there. And this is outdoor Mod Podge too. And then so if you have a fence or a board like this, these are just going to get brad nailed up there. That's going to be like a koi fish thing where they're swimming through the water with this stuff. Anyways, there's just another silly idea from good old Carving Fusion. See, just get something like that for all the neighbors to enjoy. Nothing crazy, just simple.